Hi there, welcome back to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can send mail through contact form using PHP. So right now you can see my mail is empty. So let's test the form. And then email. After that, phone number and subject. And here a message. After that, if you click on get a quote button, and then it's showing a message has been sent. Thank you for contacting us. A validation for this form. Now let's get to our mail, and you can see that a new mail arrived, and you can see here the fields information just now. So let's get started. Alright, then we have to open a browser, and in the search tab we have to search for PHPMailer. Okay, typing mistake. You can see this first to get a file PHPMailer/PHPMailer. You have to click right here, and you have to just simply click here code, and then you have to press download zip. After that, the zip file will be downloaded, and then if you just cut this file and then paste it in the project directory, and let's extract it here and rename the folder to PHPMailer, and just delete everything, instead the source file, and then after that we will also delete the rest files except the exception PHPMailer and SMTP port. We will just delete rest others and keep this 3. Okay, we will be needed this 3 only. And then let's go to our full project directory. So here's my contact forms files. At the form we have to write method equals double quote, and here we will be writing post, and in every input we have to write name equals to, and here we will be giving a value. I'm giving name, and just after this input email we'll be giving name. We'll just copy this name for faster, and we will be giving here a value name email. Again, for enter number we will be giving here the value phone. Same for here. This one is I'm giving the value subject, and finally this one here message we will be giving the value, and at the button you have to write also name, and here you will be writing submit value. So up to this it's done. Now we have to make a new file named mail.php, and here we will be writing the scripts of our form. So I'm writing here, and here we have to write the script, and here we have to write the mailing scripts. So let's write php start, php close. Here we will be writing use PHPMailer, and here backslash, again PHPMailer, again another backslash PHPMailer, and then semicolon. After that, here we will be writing require once, and here we will be showing the folder. You can see right here our PHPMailer folder, PHPMailer, and after that we have a folder named source src. In slash we will write source, again another slash. We will first write the exception PHP. Okay, so use semicolon. You just copy this one and paste it here, and here we will be writing the second one PHPMailer, and again paste another one. We're writing here SMTP.php. sorry, here will be SMTP.php. after that, here we will write $mail equals new. Okay, here's a mistake. New. Here PHPMailer, first bracket, true. After that, we will write for validation. We write here $LR equals to, we will just give here a single quote and keep it blank, and then here we'll write if first bracket is it, and again another first bracket, and in $_post we'll write the square bracket and give the value submit. We will be giving this value name button submit, so submit, and then we'll give curly brackets, and here we will be writing the field's name. So I'm giving a name equals to $_post, and first bracket we will be giving this value name. You can see here name value, we will be giving the name value here, and semicolon, close, and just paste. Okay, for here our second one was email, and then third one was phone, and after that subject, and last one was message. So accordingly to the name values, I have put it here, the info. After that, here we will write try, then first bracket, and below try we write here catch, here exception $E, and here also another bracket. So first we will be writing the mail configuration in try. You have to write here, so we write mail hyphen greater than sign is SMTP, and first bracket, close, semicolon, and next one we'll be giving here. So for making it quick, just copy mail hyphen greater than sign and paste now post equals to, as it is we are using Gmail, so we will be writing smtp.gmail.com. this is gmail.com's SMTP host name. After that we'll write here mail, then SMTP auth equals to true, semicolon, close. After that, here we will write user name equals to, here will be your mail.gmail.com. Here will be your Gmail account address, then semicolon, and then again mail. Here we will write password equals to, and quote. So at password, there is one thing to note. Due to Gmail's new update, we can't use the original mail login password, so we have to go to our Gmail account and press our profile and click manage your account. Right here you will have to go to security, and then you have to make sure two-step verification is on. So currently it's off, so I have to make the two-step verification. So let me do it. So now you can see my two-step verification is on. So just after that, after opening the two-step, you will get this option, app passwords. So you have to click here and it will ask you password and click next. So it will show this interface and you have to click other, custom name, and give anything. I'm writing contact form and generate. So Google will generate an app password. This is one-time password. You will not see this password again from here. So make sure you copy this password for the contact form use purpose. I copied the password and you have to go to mail and then simply use this password. After that, we will write here $mail hyphen greater than sign, and we will write here SMTP secure equals to and double quote TLS and hyphen. Okay, let's simply copy this one mail and then here put port. Now port equals to we have to write here 587 semicolon. After that we will write again mail, and here we will write set from, and here in first bracket and single quote we will write here the mail address. We are using your mail address here, we will be putting here, and after that in mail here we will write add address, and then another first bracket we'll write here the contact form mail where you want to receive. This will be the receiving address, so I want to receive at my mail address. Okay, this is a test my temporary mail, it's not real. And after that we have to again give here mail and is HTML. Here we will be writing true. Okay, semicolon. Again we have to write here mail subject. This will be the subject of the mail, so we can simply write here message received from this is received from contact, and after that you can if you want to show the name in the subject or who is sending the mail, so you can simply write here after the semicolon. After the semicolon, just give here full stop and a space and dollar sign name and then semicolon, done. And after that here you can write here mail and then here body equals to, I have to give double quote, I'm writing name, then semicolon, here we were writing the name, and then you're using BR break, so we will need break tag, and then phone we'll be writing dollar phone, again break. After that we'll be writing here email, here we will write dollar email. We will be writing this once dollar email, and again break subject. You will have to follow this one subject, and then here we will write subject. After that again break, we're writing here message code, and then make sure you copy this message and paste it here, and then semicolon, close. After that we will writing here dollar mail hyphen greater than sign send, first bracket close, and then semicolon. After that here we will writing the validation when if somebody sent the message from the contact form, then it will show a response validation that if the mail has been sent, or due to some error the mail haven't sent. So here we will write $alert equals to, in double quote or single quote, you have to give here, take div and a class equals to a single quote alert dot success, and then close. One thing making you sure, please check, first one is double quote, this both is double quote, and after the double quote everything is in single quote. And then after, again we will be taking span tag, and here we will write the message that we want to show if the mail has been successfully sent. So message sent, thanks for contacting us. I'm just writing this one. Okay, after this use semicolon, and then in catch we have to write the error sign if the mail haven't sent. So alert equals to, now again in double quote we have to take a div, and here a class equals to, in single quote you have to write here alert equal to error. Okay, now div close. Here we have to write write the span tag, span. Okay, so span close, and in single quote we have to write dot $e hyphen greater than sign get message, first bracket, close, and again after that we have to just simply write the full stop, and then at the end use semicolon to stop. And then let's go to our index page. You can see our method post has been given. Now at the top of the page, make sure your page is index.php or contact.php, a file name.php. It's make sure it's not .html. The extension isn't the HTML. It should be PHP. Okay, and dollar, have to write PHP start, PHP close, and here we'll write include in single quote. We have to include the mail.php, this file. We have to include this file. So we will be writing mail.php, and then after that at the end, just below the button, I'm taking a class. I'm using a div dot md12. Here I will be writing PHP command. So here we will write $alert. So why we are using $alert? Because to show the alert message that we have written, the message has been sent. Right here it will be showing if message has been sent or the error it will input. So after that we will have to now check everything given, and then I'm giving a space like top bottom to. Okay, so now we have to go to style.css file, and here we have to write here dot class name alert equals to success, and in curly braces we'll be writing these styles index clone 1, and then close, semicolon, close, and then we have to give a background color. So background I want to use D4 EDDA, semicolon, and then font size will be 14 pixel, and font weight will be we can use like 700. After that, we're giving padding. It will be 20% top bottom and 40 pixel left right. After that, we'll be adding width 100%. Border left, we'll be giving border left. So just delete that. And border left, we'll be using 8 pixel solid 3KD66E, and the border radius will be I'm going to add 4 pixel. Okay, so we have made the styles for success, and now just copy this full whole and now paste here, and instead of success just write $error, and in the background we will just change the background file color FFF 3CD, and we will just change the border FFA 502. So it's done. We have styled the alert message. I have linked the CSS file, so this will show. Okay, now let's run the file at browser. So we found an error named there's a issue with the spelling, so let's fix it. Okay, here the spelling was exception. I wrote here exception. So right now the page has been opened, and we have another error with this one. Like at this side in index PHP above the button, in the validation part, we have to write here echo and then space alert. And now save this file and run it again. And I'm using a random name information just for fast, and then we get a quote. Now let's see. Okay, you can see now the message has been sent of validation, and now let's go to our inbox. Okay, so you can see that our mail has been come 0 minutes ago. Here's the name, phone, subject, message. So everything is now working. Let's get out. So in the index page, we have to include this mail, and then we have to make sure we have inputted the name and with the value accordingly, and then at the end we have used a PHP echo alert. And let's go to the site mail.php. You can see here's the scripts. Okay, accordingly we have used everything well. And the style, this is for alert customization. And error, whenever anything error like a port connecting or anything, like it will show a yellow mark, so accordingly. So thank you for watching this tutorial. If this tutorial you find helpful, so subscribe my channel and stay tuned with us.